7:20 and we have just finished eating breakfast. We are docked in St. Lucia and we have a tour today that I'm very excited for. It is a land and sea tour by Edmund Tours, and we get to go on a speedboat. We get to see some pitons, which are like, I guess you could describe them like tall mountains, but they're green. We get to go see a waterfall, we get to go in a mud bath, and then we either have the option of beach time or snorkeling. And so this is one of the tours that I've been most looking forward to, and I can't wait to take you guys along.
Tourism, followed by bananas, which is the main export crop of the island. So we send our bananas weekly to the UK. Here we have the sweetest and the best bananas. And this is the banana field. A group of farmers own that plantation, not the government. It's about 1,600 acres, but like I told you, the banana plantation got destroyed in 2010 by Hurricane Thomas. So 90% of the field was destroyed. So some parts may not have bananas. When you're driving, you may see like it's empty. Okay? But the banana, it is part of the Heliconia family. Yeah, the yellow one is the ketchup, the brown one is the barbecue sauce. Don't be afraid when you come along. Don't forget, the bottle is terrible. Yeah, the barbecue sauce or the ketchup? Thank you. Yeah.
You want a piece?
Well, I'll try a piece. It tastes like bananas at home. Don't you think so?
Yeah.
So we are currently stopped at a beach. It took us about an hour and a half to get to the city that we're in, which I think is Castries. So it's very far from Castries. So I would recommend getting a tour to take you there. So far, we have stopped at photo stops. We went to a banana farm and a bat cave, and we still have our lunch to do. We still have a waterfall to go see, the Pitons to go see, and the mud bath. And at this beach you can either snorkel or sit at the beach and just relax. Stopped for lunch at a local place, and there was salad, pasta, rice, chicken, and fish, and then they also give you orange juice. This is cool.
I'm ready.
Come in here for 5 minutes and then get it out. 3, 6, 3 minutes. Oh my god, it's deep. Oh, it's actually not that deep, but like... Is it really, huh?
It's this deep is how it is. No, a little more.
That one's hottest, and then this is hotter.
Oh!
Less hot, less hot, less hot.
I want to go low.
That's the hottest.
Oh yeah, I want to go to the hottest.
Okay, hold on, get in now. Take a picture. But to do only a little bit of black. You're not supposed to have a lot. Only a little bit of no, only a little bit for decoration. Oh yeah. Now once you do the white, and then the black is just for decoration.
Guys, put on the... Yeah, I'm going to do it. Okay, ready?
Look at me, ladies.
Our tour today was incredible. I loved it so much. We had about a 10-minute stop at the banana farm, about 5 to 10 minutes with each of the photo stops. We went to the bat cave. That was, there's too much music. That was, I would recommend sitting at the front of the boat. We sat at the back of the boat, so we didn't get as good of a view, but we were some of the first ones on the boat, and I chose the back, so that's all that was there. Then we got about 40 minutes at the beach or for snorkeling. Lunch was about 30 minutes. The waterfall we had about 15 minutes at. That was so fun. Definitely bring your swimwear for that. And then the mud bath, we had about 20 to 30 minutes there. And then the Pitons, we just saw them along the way. There was really no photo stops for them, except if you stopped at the photo stop, but there was nothing just like along the road or anything. I highly recommend this tour. It's through Edmund Tours. I will leave a link in the description so that you are able to book this tour. It was a fabulous day. Then we went to look at our photographs from today. I don't know if I said this yesterday, but in Barbados we missed getting our picture, and the ship was the photo staff was really nice to us and let us get on the ship then and put the background in for us. And so then after we did that, there was a nice little sitting area by the bistro, and we sat there for about half an hour to 45 minutes, and I read for a little bit, and now I am just at my room and I'm gonna get ready to go to bed. So I will see you tomorrow in St. Maarten.